All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the 4 stages of a sales funnel. Now, this is getting a little bit more micro here. We took a look at the macro version there as far as the top of funnel, the middle of funnel, and the bottom of funnel. Those are kind of the 50,000 foot view macro type of outlook. And now this is a little bit more micro, where we're going to be looking at 4 different stages here. So the first stage here is the awareness. Okay, this is where we're actually helping people become aware of our particular product, our service, our brand. And this is going to be through several different ways, through advertising, marketing, if we're doing anything as far as social media, if we have any type of referral program, whatever that may be. We have put our product or service in front of our target market, and they have become aware of our service and our product. So after they become aware, then they actually become interested in our particular product and service by learning about it. This is where we really position ourselves as that credible expert by providing valuable content information through blog posts, maybe some sort of lead magnets that we're presenting to somebody about how they can improve X, Y, and Z or increase X, Y, and Z. So then we're being seen as that, credible, trusted, authoritative expert. So once they've become interested in the product or service, then they make the decision. We create the desire where the prospect already knows exactly what we do, how we can help them, and how our product or service can solve their problems, right? They know that by utilizing our product and service, their lives can become better because we have shown them how their lives can improve through maybe a lead magnet, whatever that may be that we have provided to our prospect free of charge, so they can truly see our value and see that, hey, with this free information, it's extremely valuable. I wonder how much value it's going to have with the paid type of, product or service that they may have. So after that, then there's the action stage where they've actually, seen everything. They've gone through your whole entire, funnel as far as the awareness, the interest, the decision, and now it's time to take the action. Now, once you have succeeded with creating that desire, creating that, decision phase, the next step is to tell them to take the immediate action. And oftentimes people miss this because if you're not telling people exactly what to do, click here, buy now, press this button over here, then oftentimes you're going to miss out on a lot of sales because people need to be directed. They need to be led to, make a decision, because oftentimes people are, scared. They, may not like to take risks. And so it's important for you to let people know that this is a limited time offer. If you're creating maybe some sense of urgency, letting them know that, hey, if you don't purchase right now, in 2 to 3 days or whatever, you're going to lose this price and you're not going to be able to get these additional bonuses that may come with this product or service as well. So leading people to make that purchasing decision, right? Because they've seen all your material. They've seen all your lead magnets, your, valuable content pieces. So they should be ready to go. And oftentimes people are, easily able to procrastinate. So we want to get them to take that action by telling them exactly what to do. Now, if you want to see a good example of the action phase, go to any particular Amazon.com listing and you look at any kind of product. They're always, for the most part, going to put buy this product and receive it within 24 hours or receive it the next day if you purchase within, and then there's a timer there of like a number of hours that you need to purchase within to get this product within that allotted time. So that's it for this video here. Just wanted to give you the 4 stages of a sales funnel. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.